Welcome to the build of the 2.5 tonne 6x6 cargo truck. This is part 5. This is what we're working on today, adding the panels for the front of the truck. I still haven't put the motor in yet, but here's the parts to go in. 12. First thing is to add the back panel to the behind the seats. Took a bit of getting these that one panel to go in exactly properly. I don't know why it wouldn't fit, but then in the end it did. Let that set. Count to Peter's 9. Some great sayings here. Peter's 9 seconds. Rod Cavalry's arm's length. And hold down thingy. But the sides go in quite conveniently. Adding the Tamiya cement to areas that can't be seen. I had tried to put the panel behind the seats on earlier and it didn't seem to work out properly, so I decided to put the sides on first and add the back panel later. And that sort of went together much better. Now adding the radiator, making sure I put it on the right way this time, not like I did with the Tilly. Instructions weren't quite clear exactly how this was located. There are some locating things, but they didn't seem to look right, so it took a bit of fiddling to work out exactly which was the correct position. Look at the instructions again, seem to figure out how it's supposed to go. It's in position now. Now it's a matter of adding the this sub-assembly to the chassis. There are 2 pins in the chassis which line up with 2 holes, so it's just a matter of getting them in alignment, and once you'll hear them click, and that's in the right place. Again, working off camera. Gee, it's hard to justify, or not justify, keep it in the middle. I've got the black dot on the pad, but I still seem to work away from it sometimes. This is the picture frame I got for doing the diorama for the truck. It's I added a plywood back to it. Adding the glue to those 2 pins. Got the air conditioning go again. It's 30 degrees in the workshop again. It just doesn't let up. So that's about the position I'll be putting it on the diorama base, but I'll add a little bit of height to the front end, so, or maybe even the back end. Let's see which looks the best. So thanks for watching. In part 6 I'll be doing the cargo bay, so I've got this accessory kit with a whole lot of bits and pieces I can put in the back. And as well as that, I got the PE kit for adding the machine gun to the roof of the cab, and canvas doors and a couple of little brackets. So I reckon this looks a lot better than just the normal canvas roof. It was worth the money. And also at the same time I purchased a weathering kit. I don't want to heavily weather this, only slightly. So it's cheerio from me now, till next time. Thanks for watching again.